Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Sephora Play unboxing thing. I'll be honest, I'm not sure what date this is. It may be June or it may be May.
It's July 10th.
No, but the box.
Oh.
My mom's. We literally just walked in 5 minutes ago from our flight back from Florida. But I got this box. We're in the process of moving, so I think this one just like finally got shipped here. So it may be an old one. But anyway, we're unpacking it to see what's in it because I don't know what's in it. Yeah, so recently I've been in Florida and California for 3 weeks. That was something. Something fun. Okay. Open the box. This is what comes in it here. And then, so let's see what the card says. Okay, it says, welcome to Beauty Boardwalk. So it's like Venice Boardwalk, or what's the beach in California?
Venice Beach?
Venice Beach, but the boardwalk, what?
New Jersey?
No, never mind. Whatever. So it's like all about like summer stuff, you can tell again. Well, let me start opening it to show you guys what's in it. This is a little baggie. It looks pretty packed full.
She wants the bag.
You can have the bag if you want it. My cousin wants the bag. Okay, starting off, this is the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. I've actually heard about this. A lot of makeup people use this, so I am really excited. This package or box looks really exciting because it has stuff I want to try. I actually saw some of the stuff that's in it on Instagram, but whatever. Okay, this is the, let me find it, the Murad Nutrient Charged Water Gel, a super hydrating water gel that locks in moisture visibly, plumps skin, and helps smooth the looks of fine lines. I really like me some water gels because I like feeling refreshed. As if you watch my videos, you know I like feeling fresh. Ooh, do you want to put some on there? Come here. Come here.
Is it moist?
Yeah, it is moist. Thank you. Okay. Do you like how it feels?
Yeah.
Give me your review of it.
It's nice and cold.
Yeah.
It's like a cool cooling gel.
Cooling. Yeah. You might have to rub it in more. Smells what?
Like strawberries.
Oh, it does smell like strawberries, and it's pink. So, future beauty blogger guys, coming at you. The next is the Maharo, something like that. This deep treatment butter nourishing cleansing cream. So this is a hydrating shampoo and conditioner set that nourishes hair with botanical oils and rich butters. You can have this if you want to.
I want it.
Do you want it?
Yeah.
It went on the stairs. She got it. Prizes all around. Great, we're giving gifts today. This next is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Longwear Matte Lipstick in Queen Bee. This looks like a pretty shade here. Let me swatch it for you guys. We'll put here. Like all the beauty bloggers. Focus it. Oh. That looks very pretty. We can try this one out too. Excited for that. Next is this Verb Sea Spray. It's a refreshing sea spray that gives hair a breezy, beachy look with loose curls and a texture boost. You just like spray it on the damp hair and use fingers to twist and curl. I'm excited to use this because I like having those like waves in my hair. My hair is usually pretty naturally straight, so I like having some texture in it when I can't. The last thing is this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation in R230, which is the shade. This is a lightweight medium coverage foundation that hydrates skin for a flawless fresh face. Now I recently just purchased the full size bottle of the foundation that's it's like the skin tint foundation for Makeup Forever. I got it in one of these packages and I was in love with it, so I'm excited to try this out. It might be a little too dark for my skin, but always find a way to make it work. So that is all that came in this week's box. It was the June box. So this was just a couple, like 2 weeks old, I think. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what's in this box. As always, I will leave the link down if you want to purchase this box, that you can too. It's a monthly subscription, so every month you get charged and you get 6 goodies. Super exciting. And you also get 50 bonus points for Sephora when you make any purchase for the next month. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow all my social media listed down below. I am Kate, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.